Whether you're on a weight loss journey or you're simply trying to make healthy eating a priority, easy overnight oats are a fantastic healthy breakfast option as they're made with real, whole, everyday ingredients that are delicious, nutritious, and affordable. And if you make your oats mindfully, you can really make a well-balanced meal that has a nice ratio of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Not to mention, overnight oats are a no-cook meal that take 5 minutes to assemble and are perfect for meal prep. Now, the main ingredients that I use to make my overnight oats are rolled oatmeal, Greek yogurt, unsweetened almond milk, and chia seeds. The version I'm showing you today is a strawberry and peanut butter flavor combo, so we're gonna need those as well. Now, personally, I like to use a 16-ounce mason jar for making overnight oats. Some of these jars are taller, some of them are smaller. It doesn't matter which variety you choose. I just find that 16 ounces gives you enough space to mix all of the ingredients while still having some room should you want to add some toppings right to the jar. Now, the base recipe I'm sharing today is for 1 serving, but you can easily scale this recipe up. Today, I'm actually gonna make 2 servings, 1 for me and 1 for my husband.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. So the first ingredient that goes into the jar are rolled oats. I'm using good old-fashioned rolled oats here as I find they create the best texture, but keep in mind, you could make this with quick cooked oats as well. It's just gonna be a little bit creamier and softer and more pudding-like, which is not a bad thing. Then I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, but keep in mind that really any type of milk that you like or have on hand would do the job. Then in goes some Greek yogurt. I'm using a 1/4 cup of 2% plain unsweetened Greek yogurt. But do keep in mind, you could use a non-fat Greek yogurt or a full-fat Greek yogurt as well. They all work really well and result in a really creamy overnight oat. Then I'll add a teaspoon of chia seeds, which are rich in protein and fiber, plus these are also gonna help to thicken up our oats. And then for some flavor boosters, I'm gonna add about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you love cinnamon, you could add a little bit extra, of course. And then a few drops of stevia, which could also be maple syrup or honey. I personally like stevia because it doesn't add any extra sugar to the recipe. Okay, so those are the ingredients you need for the base recipe. But since I am making a strawberry peanut butter flavor option today, I'm also gonna add in 1 tablespoon of all natural peanut butter. And remember, when you're buying your peanut butter, all that the ingredient list should read is peanuts and possibly some salt if you enjoy salted peanut butter, like myself. And then we're gonna add in these fresh chopped strawberries, which work so well in this recipe, especially this time of year because they're light and they're bright and they're fresh. And I just love the way they pair with the creamy oatmeal. Once I have all of my ingredients in the jar, I'm just going to stir this and mix it until all of those ingredients are really well combined. You're just gonna keep going, make sure that peanut butter is spread throughout. And then from here, I'm just gonna pop on a lid, place the mason jar into the refrigerator for a minimum of 3 hours or overnight. Once your oats are ready, you are going to see that they have this really thick, creamy, pudding-like consistency, which is so delicious. So you can grab your oats as is as a breakfast on the go, or if you have some extra time, you could top it with some extra strawberries and a little extra dollop of peanut butter. Now, normally I would do that right in the jar, but since we're on YouTube and I wanted to make it look pretty for you, I put it into this fun little cup. Now, personally, I just eat my overnight oats cold right out of the fridge. They're actually delicious this way. But if you wanted to, you could certainly pop them in the microwave to take that cold edge off or to heat them through. So good. A simple, delicious, well-balanced breakfast idea that is both easy to make and perfect for anybody on a health or weight loss journey. I'm so excited for you guys to try these easy overnight oats. And when you do, come on down to the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you decide to whip up your very own flavor combinations, make sure you share that as well. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I'm Dani Spies, and I'll see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers.